Hello guys, so in this video we are going to learn how to plug expressions into functions. Now we all know that when you have a function, say f of x equals let's say equals 3x plus 9. When you're asked to find f of 2, we all know it's very easy to do. You just substitute 2 for x. So this would be what? 3 times 2, so 3 times 2 plus 9. Now this would be 6 plus 9, making 15. So 15. So when you are asked to find f of 3, you do the same thing. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. F of 10 would be 3 times 10, 30, 30 plus 9, 39. Now what if you are asked to find, say, f of 2x? Okay, just find f of 2x. Now this should be very easy. You just apply the same thing you do if it was to be a constant. What do? You just replace your x by 2x. Simple. So what will this be? It will be what? It will be multiplying 2x, then what? Plus 9. Now this would be what? 6x plus 9. Same thing. Let's do another example. Let's say if you were asked to find f of 3x squared plus x. What will it be? The same thing. It would be 3 multiplying 3x squared plus x, which would be what? 9x squared. Okay. 9x squared plus 3x, that's 3 times the x here. 3x, then plus our 9. So this would be your answer for this solution. So I hope this is very simple and then we all can do this. Now sometimes the question can be twisted a bit. Okay. So let's say this same question, you were given the function f of x. Okay, we are given the function f of x equals 3x plus 9. And you were told that find x. Okay, you were asked to find x if, let's say, f of 2x is 10. Okay, find x. That's to find x. Find x, given that f of 2x, okay, f of 2x is, let's say, 9. In this case, you do what we did initially by just substituting 2x for x in the original equation, which we've done already here, okay, which is 6x plus 9. So you have 6x plus 9 equals what? 9. In this case, 9 cancels this 9, and you are left with 6x equals 0. If 6x equals 0, then x equals 0 as well. So x equals 0. That is it. Now let's solve another example. Given that f of x is, let's say, 9x plus 12. So let me do 9x squared plus 12. Sorry. Let me do it 9x plus 12. Okay. Given that f of x is 9x plus 12 and f of nine x, okay, is equal to let's say 36. Find x. Okay, so this is very simple. You substitute 9x into this. Okay, so you have f of 9x being 9 times 9x, that would be 81x. So 81x plus 12 will be equal to 36. 12 goes to the right side, leaving us with what's 24. So we have 81x equals 24. Now your x would now be equal to 24 over 21. So you have 24 over 21. 3 here 8, 3 here 1, sorry, 3 here 2, and the 1. So remember 2, 3 here 7. So 3 into 81, 27 times. So you have 8 over what's 27. So our x is x over 27. So this is very simple. You treat expressions as constants whenever you have to plug them into functions and then evaluate them. And whenever the question is turned, you can just apply the same rules and then you do your simple algebra and you'll be fine. I'll be very happy if you like this video, comment to share your feedback, and then share it to your friends for them to also learn. I'm happy to announce that we currently have 500 subscribers. Thanks to everyone who contributed to the success. Thank you for tuning in and see you in my next video. Bye.